This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is June 27th, 2018. This one here, I'm in my pickup truck, going around doing jobs. My truck's still in the shop. I had to take it back. But anyway, this one here, I got a couple of air conditioners for this lady that I have to change out. She wants a price on changing them out, and one of them is down, so I got to go over there and see what's going on with it. They're two older systems, and I don't have time to change them right now, and so I'll try to get it going for her. See if I could fix it for her to give her air conditioning for another week or so, a couple of weeks, before I could get over there and start doing some ripping and tearing. I mean, it's not good when your truck's broke. I've been out of work for, 2 weeks, so I should have just jumped in my pickup truck like I'm doing now. Next time I won't let it go so long. But anyway, I'll get you some shots when I get there. No baby dog. I mean, I don't have room for us. Do what we can, Mama. Cooling. Turn it down so we can check it outside. I can hear the fan running. She said the filter's clean. It's probably low on gas or out of gas. I'll have to check it. I'm not even sure if the compressor's running. Pull the cover off and check the capacitor. Just flopping in the wind there. Just flopping in the wind. The system's gonna need to be replaced. Alright, guys, good pressure in it, so we'll start it and see what happens here. She's low on gas. It's a piston, so I'm gonna have to put some gas in it for her. Systems are gonna be replaced, but can't do them now. Put some gas in it for her. I got my hose hooked up there, and I'll bleed it back here. Bleed the air out. And then we'll turn this on and give it some gas. Putting in 22, you can put it in as a gas, but the 410A you have to put in as a liquid. You have to meter it. You won't slug the compressor. This is 22, this is fine. Both systems have to be replaced, but I don't have time to do them right now. Strap on the capacitor. On the strap. Put that cover on while it's charging. Suction pressure's lower than I like to see, but the filter's clean upstairs. That's going to be the final right there. She gets her system changed out. see that. Alright guys, usually not putting gas in the unit that's low, but she needs both of these changed. She wants the price, but I don't have time to do it right now. And she needs air conditioning, so I had to put gas in it. Just how it is. Yeah, 2.5 pounds. I mean, it's not too bad. It's a small system, so it's not too bad. I put gas in it. I had to put Freon in it.
You did have to?
Yeah, not too bad. 2.5 pounds, but yeah.
So it is leaking, right?
For sure. Yeah, have you ran the first floor one? Does it seem to be cooling?
The first floor was fine.
Yeah.
The second floor, they didn't.
That's the one I had to put Freon in. I had to strap, the capacitor was loose in there, so I put a strap on it. And get you by for now. I just don't have time to replace them.
I understand.
You know? Alright guys, I just left that job. I gave her a price on replacing bolt systems, and she gave me the go-ahead to do it. Just finding time to do it is the next thing. So, bolt systems are going to be replaced. They're old, and she's got air conditioning for now. It's supposed to be 94 this weekend, so I'm going to get it Freon. Got to get her something going there.